Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how to run HTML on VS Code. For that, let us first install VS Code, then we will run a sample web page. Let us start. Let us install the current VS Code version. At first, go to the web browser. On Google, type VS Code and press enter. Now the official website is visible, code.visualstudio.com. Click on it. Now here the version is visible, download for Windows. Click on it to download. Now the download started. Here it is. Here is the version. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. Now click I accept the agreement and click next. Here is the location where VS Code will get installed. Click next. It will create a start menu folder. Click next. Additional task, if you want a desktop icon you can select this, but I don't need it, so I'll keep it as it is and click next. Now the summary is visible. Click install. Now the installation started. Let's wait. The VS Code setup completed. Click finish and it will launch on its own because the checkbox is by default clicked. I'll click finish. So VS Code opened for the first time. Guys, we successfully installed VS Code. Okay, now go here, click. Here you can directly click open folder. On the desktop, I'll create a new folder, Amit project, let's say, and within this I'll add my web pages. Click select folder. Now here right click new file and let's say I'll name it index. Okay, I'll right click and rename so that I can name it .html. Okay, now we have our file. Let us write our first web page. Okay, so this is HTML. Okay, so we printed the doc type first. I'll explain them later. First, let us run it. Now type the HTML and within this type head. Okay, and the title here. Let's say I'll mention first web page. Okay, and the body tag now. Okay, let's say I'll type heading 1, my website name. Okay, and a p tag. Okay, now that's it. Go to file, click save. Now we just need to run it. For that we need an extension to run it on a web browser. Go here. Here I'll type open in browser, let's say. Press enter. The first one, click on it. We clicked on it and here you need to click install. That's it. Okay. Click install. We have installed it. Go here again under your file. When you'll right click now, two new options are visible. Open in default browser or open in other browsers. Okay, click on any one of them. Let's say I'll click open in other browsers and the options are visible. Okay, on which web browser you want to run this, you can select. I'll click on Google Chrome and you can see we printed the same Studiopedia and the text. The same was visible here. So in this way we can run HTML on VS Code. For a free HTML tutorial, refer the link in the description of this video. Thank you for watching.